everyone, tonight I'll be fixing a recipe out of Better Homes and Gardens 75 Fix Fast recipes, 4 ingredients or less. And I'll be making beef dill rolls. So what all goes into the beef dill rolls? 4 cube steaks, about a pound. This is 1.37 pounds. 1 dill pickle, about 4 or 5 inches long, cut into quarters. These are spears. They're about a half of a pickle, so I will be cutting them in half. Dijon or yellow mustard, I'm going to use Dijon, and salt and pepper to taste. So let's begin. So take 2 pickle spears, which will equal out to be 1 big pickle, and I'm going to cut them in half, and that way it'll be 4 quarters. So lay down a beef cube steak and salt and pepper it on both sides. And this is to taste. Take your mustard and squirt some mustard on there and spread that out. And then take a pickle and then roll up your cube steak and attach it with a couple of toothpicks. And set that aside and do that with the remaining 3. And I'll do one more to show you. Salt and pepper. If you like dill pickles, I think you'll like this. And you spread your mustard and you put your pickle down and you roll it and you secure it with a toothpick. I'll get the other 2 done and then I'll be back. Preheat your oven on broil high and have your rack about 5 inches from the heat. Get an unheated broiling pan. I don't have a broiler pan, so I just have a cookie sheet with foil with a rack on it, and that's going to have to be good. And stick your cube steaks on there. So take your beef dill rolls, put them in a preheated broil on high for 6 minutes. So it's been 6 minutes. Take your beef dill roll up, and I forgot to spray that, and turn them over. Put it back into the broiler for 5 to 6 more minutes or until no longer pink. So here is the beef dill roll up. Rounding out the meal is potato salad and Cheesecake Factory brown bread. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Trying to figure out what this is.
It's called a beef dill roll.
So it's like a hamburger with a pickle in it?
And mustard, yes.
Okay.
It's cube steak, Dijon mustard, and a kosher dill pickle.
I say I should have stabbed the meat so it wouldn't run away. I can taste the pickle even without taking a bite of the pickle. It's kind of like a hamburger without a bun. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.